Welcome to the guide for how to record the screen with audio on Mac with Wondershare UniConverter version 12. Step 1. Go to Screen Recorder. Step 2. Click the camera icon to launch Screen Recorder. Step 3. Use the scaling handles to increase or decrease the capture area. Step 4. Drag the Move icon to reposition the capturing frame on the screen. Step 5. Alternatively, choose Full Screen from the Capture list. Step 6. Check if the speaker icon is enabled. Turn on the microphone if it is disabled. Choose the correct audio card and mic from their lists. Step 7. Click Settings to configure recording preferences more granularly. Step 8. Select a destination folder. Video frame rate and quality from the general category. Step 9. Use the Record Timer options to schedule screen recording. This is mostly used to record TV shows. Step 10. Click Rec to begin recording. Step 11. Stop the recording. Access the recorded file from the window that opens.